Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover 5 best hot air rework stations in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Yihua Hot Air Rework Station. The 2-in-1 hot air rework station can control the temperature in both degree F and degree C. It comes with multiple functions that indicate its versatility. This Aoyue tool is famous for its cutting-edge temperature control technology, protection features, ease of programming, and vivid digital display. Looking at its key specifications, it is built from plastic and steel. The unit weighs 8.13 pounds, so it is portable. There is a 3 LED tube display. It accurately shows the temperature. With the help of this display, you can effortlessly alter the digital readouts on the LCD. It is easy to switch the readings from centigrade to Fahrenheit and vice versa. You can change its functionality by the push of a button. One safety feature implemented is the exclusive air function, either manual or automatic. The air gun automatic function makes sure the heat is automatically eliminated when the air gun is placed in its holder. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nuclox Hot Air Rework Station. Next on our list is the Nuclox Hot Air Rework Station. This is a very reliable soldering station and can heat within 3 to 5 seconds. It has many safety features that make it the safest hot air rework station on our list. The rework station is controlled by using an 858D microcontroller. It can reach up to a maximum temperature of 500 OC. Using this, you can solder multiple components, including PLCC, BGA, chip, SOIC, and QFP. All these features make this one of the safest and reliable rework stations. It features an intuitive LED that displays all important information. When the temperature becomes less than 100 C, the LED indicates that it is about to go into standby mode. If it drops below 70 C, it will enter into standby mode. Additionally, the hot air gun uses an effective brushless fan. Hence, it does not emit noise. It also prevents the return of the hot air. Number 3. Our third best pick is Aoyue Hot Air Rework Station. There are many different tools included in this pack of hot air rework stations. Each of them is designed keeping in mind precision and user-friendliness. This 4-in-1 repairing station is famous for maintaining a constant set temperature. Moreover, it allows you to easily adjust the airflow. The incorporated airflow gauge and knob adjustment maintain the airflow. The built-in microprocessor accurately controls temperature as well as airflow. The visual airflow is estimated by the microprocessor. It comes equipped with the self-testing type warm air heating core system. This system informs the user when the heating core breaks down. This digital hot air rework station is famous for maintaining a constant set temperature whenever the set and the value are attained. The extra features include automatic cooling and adjustable sleep timer. The kit includes a soldering iron holder, 10 soldering iron tips, a vacuum pickup kit, and extra heating elements. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Novespic Hot Air Rework Station. If you are looking for a hot air rework station that can heat up rapidly, go for this tool from Novespic. It is an energy-efficient rework station that comes with a digital display and several advanced features. The inclusion of an automatic cooling function makes it unique among the rest of the models. With the assistance of a long-life ceramic heater and microcomputer control, this tool can heat up quickly and precisely. It can heat up to the set temperature within a few seconds. The highest temperature attained is 500 degrees Celsius. There is the availability of 3 types of nozzles, i.e. 8 mm, 5 mm, and 3 mm. The premium quality silicone body provides enough heating to ensure longevity and to save power. A sensor switch is available. If you grab the handle, the station will work in the working mode. When you put back the bracket, it would operate in standby mode. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Quick Rework Station. The Quick 861DW Rework Station is an excellent addition to your workbench. It is useful for SMD work, and it can also be used for the high current soldered connectors. The simplicity of use, accuracy, ease of programming, and powerful airflow are the specialties of this digital rework station. This rework station works at 1000 watts of power. It comes with a maximum airflow of 120 liters per minute. The maximum temperature it can work is approximately 930 F. There is support for 3 channels along with airflow and programmable temperature settings. The built-in handle offers portability. Its temperature precision is excellent for most soldering works. Generally, this digital rework station works flawlessly and efficiently for soldering projects that involve tin, lead, and bismuth. The additional features are automatic cooling function, automatic sleep function, key lock functions, and password protection. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.